we have this angle down here. This angle is, let's say, 100 degrees. Then we have another angle down here. From here, the red one, to here. This is 110 degrees. Now, I cannot say from here to here is 100 and plus 110 because there's an overlap. From here to here is actually 180. You all know that, right? Because it's a straight line. So how to find this angle down here, the overlap angle? You take 100 plus 110, okay, 100 plus 110, you get 210. 210 minus this 180 degrees, give me the overlap. What is overlap? You look at the angle that's overlap very carefully. You see which one, let us call this angle A, B, C. Okay, watch. 110 is B plus C. Okay, now 100 is A plus B. See, B appears 2 times. Now, if I take 180 degrees, it's A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C equals to 180. Whereas I take A plus B plus B plus C is 210. So now, I minus this. 210 minus 180, I get 30 degrees. C minus C, no more C. B minus B, no more B. A minus A, no more A. B is the only one left. B equals 30 degrees. Do you get it? Get it or not? Don't get it.
Don't.
So I do same thing again. Okay, we will now use this screen. You don't get it, you're laughing, these girls. What is it?
No, you know why?
Okay, down here, see, down here now. I am going to show you now, step by step. Okay, we call, basically, I'm going to ask you how many, okay, this one now, we call it angle A. Okay, I'm going to write angle A here. This is angle A. This one, I call it angle B. This one, I call it angle C. Do you agree that A plus B plus C is equals to 180 degrees? You agree or not? Agree? Hey, Sophia, you're not listening, Sophia. What are you doing, Sophia? A plus B plus C is, Sophia, A plus B plus C, you agree is 180 degrees? Agree, right? Straight line, A plus B plus C equals to 180 degrees. But now, if I take 143, now what is 143? It's A plus B. A plus B is 143. Okay, B is 143. Okay.
Sure.
So, yes.
We just take 143. I mean, 180 minus 143.
Can. Okay. We take 180 minus 143, what do you get? You get 37. C equals to 37. Okay, good. All right, C equals 37, Because now from here to here, you can take 180 minus 143. Okay, C equals 37. Good. Okay. Now, the next step. If you know this one is 37, you can take 124 minus 37. Can? 124, B plus C is 124, right? Take 124 minus 37, what do you get? How much? 63 plus 83, 87. So down here is 87 degrees. Watch now. If you want to find what this is, take 180 minus 87 degrees, you get these two angles. You get 90, 93 as what Zahira says. Can see now. You know this is 87 one. So take 180 minus 87, get 93. How? Okay now. Zahira, you get it right? You know how to do, right? Okay, but okay. So far, I'll ask one by one. Do you understand this method, Shafiqah? Or don't understand?
I didn't do it.
Okay, what is your way, Zahira? What's your way? You tell me what's your way.
I take 180 minus 143 equals to 37. Then 124 minus 37 equals to 87. And then 87.
87 is for here, right?
80. Then I don't know. Then
Correct.
180 minus 87, I get 93.
Yes, correct. So you take 180 minus 143, get 37 down here. Then take 124 minus 37, you get 87 down here. 180 minus 87 gets 93 for M and N. Okay, not? Okay,
I
if
think
not,
180 because the triangle all equals to 180.
yes. Sophia, you get it, Sophia? Sophia is busy doing something. Sophia, do you get it? Or you don't get it? You are from the way. Okay, explain to me how to do. Sophia. Sophia can do now, Sophia. Can do or cannot do?
Okay, so what's the answer?
Answer 93.
Huh?
93, right? Okay,
Okay, I get it.
so down here is 180 degrees, right? 180 degrees minus 143 give you 37 down here. Then this is 124. 124, right? 124 minus 37 give you 87. This is 87. 180 minus 87 get 93 for Mn. M plus N is 93. Okay, yeah? You don't get it. So I need to show you one more time. Okay. Down here now, this one down here is 180 degrees. You all agree, right?
Yes.
Yes. Then down here they show you that the angle is 1, 2. Yeah, hold on. From here to here is 143. From here to here is 143. So you can take 180 minus 143. You get this to be 37. And then now there is another angle down here. This angle now is red in color. It's from here. Okay, it goes here like that. This is 124. 124 minus 37 gives you this angle here, which is 87. So if this angle is 87, this angle, and this angle, M and N plus 87 is 180. Take 180 minus 87, you get these two, which is 93. Because they ask you what's M plus N, 93. Okay? No, okay. Okay or no? No, okay. Shafika, you look lost, Shafika. You're lost, confused, is it? Shafika confused. Shafika, a little bit, okay. Now we try to go back to the earlier question, okay? Remember this is paper 2, so it may be a little bit difficult. Okay, now, down here now. Now, I am going to draw the model for you, okay? You say the answer is 61, correct? Answer is correct, but your method might not be correct. Now, you have this Songki and Royston. They have altogether 174 cards. Then in the end, they have the same amount. So I draw in the end same amount. This is the same amount in the end. Royston, Songki. Can see, not? Can see, not? Okay, Royston and Songki, yeah? Now, then what happened? This is at the end. Before the end, Royston, he bought 34. So down here now, last time he didn't have this 34, this one is bought 34. Okay, and then this Songki, before he had 18, he gave away 18. So the original 174 is without the 34. Original is without the 34. Is with the 18. He had 18. This is the original. Okay, so in order for us now to get these 2 units, I must plus 34 plus. So I plus 34. I get 208. 208 is including of the 18. I must minus this 18. I get 190. This is 190 for 2 units. So 1 unit is 190 divided by 2, which is 95. This from here, 95. From here to here is 95. But he bought 34 cards. So you must take 95 minus 34, and you will get 61. Now this method is correct. This method is correct. If you did another method, I do not know how, because you gave me your explanation, it wasn't clear. You have to now minus the 34 or plus the 34 to get 208, then minus 18, then get 190, then divide by 2. So for this one later, what I want you to do, because it seems that I do not know, you all look a little bit blur. So what we're going to do is you will write down the working for me. I'll go through later. Now we try to move on to the next question because we are now trying to complete paper 2 lah, as much as paper 2. Okay, let's see now. Ratio, okay. I think there's something missing here lah. E, F, G, H.
Mr. Shaheed,
Yes. Is it tough, Rosan?
I mean like if the
I think there's something wrong with this question.
yeah,
Yes.
there's
If
something wrong. Macam there's
yeah,
like
there's
something missing.
one missing. Yeah, there's something missing, I think. Okay, never mind. We try this one. Clue. I'll give you a clue. The clue is common factors. Factors.
Is the answer for A 21?
21. How do you get 21?
I don't know.
Just check.
Either 60 plus 45, and then 105 divided by 5.
Why divide by 5?
Because that's the only number that
We have to assume. We have to assume that all the items are distributed. You have to write down the factors.
75.
75 students cannot be lah. There's only 60.
Okay, nak
How are you going to give to 75 students?
kena 35.
35. Okay, if you give out 35 erasers, one person will get how many eraser?
Oh, eraser.
No, because they say they distribute equally, means each student will have the same item. So you have 35 students getting eraser. The balance 10 erasers, what happened to it?
the common factor is 5.
Okay. Okay. So no, common factors, but you write down all the
Answer
factors.
for A15.
For 60 is 1, 60, 5, 12, 6, and 10.
Okay.
Then for
Some more?
45 is 5 and 9.
Okay.
And 1 and 45.
1 and 45. Okay.
Is
Anyone
that
else?
7?
7. You say 15.
Yeah.
Okay, one is say 15, the other one is 7. Some more. Nice, princess. Any more?
A7.
A7.
Yeah.
If you say 7, okay, let's say 7. Now you got 60 pencils. 60 divided by 7 is not a whole number.
No,
So
I
let's say
plus
now
by 30.
you plus both them, then that means it's not equal. What this question is saying, example I give you, let's say there's only 3 persons in the class, 3 persons. So each student will get 60 divided, if let's say there's 3 persons, each one will get 60 divided by 3, 20 pencils each. All right. And then 45 divided by 3, you get 15. So each student will get 20 pencils and 15 erasers. If this, so it's distributed totally. What's the biggest number of students in the class? That's what it's saying. You cannot have any extra eraser, any extra pencils.
But I do 60 divided by 15.
60 divided by 15, what do you get? 4.
4.
Okay.
And
Some
then
more.
45 divided by 15 is 3.
Good. So now you are assuming, yeah, okay, so the answer would be the biggest number actually. But how do I explain this? Okay, so we write down, let us see, we write down, we go step by step, right? We write down factors of 60. What are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 also possible, right? 6. What else? 7 cannot, 8 cannot, 9 cannot, 10 can, 10 times 6. Huh? So now from here, 10 times 6. Then next one, 12. 12 times 5. You see, I'm 6 times 10, 12 times 5. 4 times what? 4 times 15. Then 3 times 20. Then 2 times 30. 1 times 60. These are all the numbers. Okay, so in order to get the biggest number, you divide by the smallest one. Let's say in the whole class, there's only 1 person. Imagine the whole class, there's only 1 person. So he will take all the 60 pencils and all the 45 erasers. So I also now write down how many, what are the factors of 45. So let us write down. 1, some more, 2 can, 3 can, 4 can, cannot, 5 can, 6 can, cannot, 7 can, cannot, 8 can, cannot, 9 can, yes, 9 times 5 is 45. Okay, now you can see 9 times 5. Then go to the next one. 3 times what? 15. All right, and 1 times 45. So these are all the factors. If you want to find the number of students, we divide this now. Okay, we divide by the numbers. Okay, imagine now 60 divided by 1. It might be, if one person get 1 pencil, there are 60 students now. Okay, but cannot be 60 because this number, if you divide by any of them, you will never get 60. Then next one, you divide by 2. Each student you get 2, so there's 30 students. Is it possible? Well, yeah, it can be 30 students because each one get 2 pencils. But down here, if you take 45 divide by 1, you get 45. 45 divided by 3 is 15. You don't have 30, so it's out. Then you try the next one until you get the biggest number and see whether the other side you can get the biggest number also. Oh my goodness, I think I'm losing you guys. Okay, we try on the board. So this one now, paper 2 is a little bit of okay, we try this one now. Let's see whether you can. So now I want to find the number of students, largest possible. 60, the common factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30, and 60. So if I want to give one student one pencil, that means I divide by 1, I get 60 students. But it's out because you only got 45 erasers. You can't be giving 45 erasers to 60 students. Some students don't get. Then you can divide now. 60 divided by 2 get 30. Maybe there's 30 students. Or 60 divided by 3, you get 20 students. 60 divided by 4, you get how many students? 15 students. 60 divided by 5, you get 60 divided by 5, 12 students. And you go down here lah. 60 divided by 6, you get 10 students. Actually, you will get all these numbers in reverse. Then these are students. You can write down students. Then you take 45, same thing. 45, you divide by your factors. What are the factors? The factors are of 45, they are right here. 1, 3, 5, 9, 15, and 45. So now you divide. 45 divided by 1, there's 45 students. There's no 45, so this one is out. 45 divided by 3, you get 15 students. 45 divided by 5, you get 9 students. 45, you get 9, 9, you get 5 students. 45, you get divided by 15, you get 3 students. 45 divided by 45, you get 1 student. So now you compare the students, which one is the same? The same is 15. It's the biggest. All right, 15 is the biggest. So there are 15 students. But I don't think you get it. I don't think you get it. Never mind. We'll try. We will try one more question. If let's say it's too, okay, I tell you what, let me think. What do I do? Okay, we'll do a paper 1, but next lesson, when we go to paper 2, I will break it down first. Otherwise, you catch no ball. I can see you're looking at the thing, your mind is blank. Am I correct? You do not know what I'm talking about, right? Okay, never mind. So, no problem. We are now going to, okay, just give me 1 minute. Just hold on, okay? I will open up something else. Hold on, just give me a moment. Hold on. Okay. All right, here we go. We're going to try River Valley now. River Valley, where are you guys? Okay, here we go. Okay. Now, I think this one, make sure your score for this one so that we can move on to paper 2. We only have 1 more month. Okay, just give me 1 moment.
Answer is number 4.
Okay. What happened? Sorry, what happened? Let me see.
Answer is number 4.
Number?
Number 4 for question 1.
Okay, well done. What about the next one?
4.
4, 6.59. Are you sure or not? Come on, miss.
Okay, wait, I go check first.
Check. This one, you have ones,
Oh, I thought
you have tens, you get hundreds, you get thousands.
Answer for number 2 is 3.
Number 2 is 3. What about the rest?
this 3.
3. Okay. 3. Okay. Anyone else?
Oh, number it's number 6.
Number 6.
No, I mean number 4.
Number 4 for which one? Number 1.
Yeah.
Okay, good, good. Sophia, how to do this one? Sophia, we do together. 6 ones. Where we put the 6? This one, first A, B, C, D. Which one?
Number 1, 5. Number 1, 4.
4. Okay, correct. Number 2. Sophia, where do we put the 6? Down here.
At the first decimal.
Okay, for
I
down
mean
here.
the first one. Yeah.
Then the second one, what do we put?
Number 2, 4.
4. Are you sure or not? Then where do you, the next one, what do you write?
0.
0 because there's no hundreds here. Shafika, there's no hundreds. This is hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So the last one is 9. 6509. Be careful, huh? Please be careful. Look, we are right after this lesson, we have to go through paper 2. But you notice paper 2 is like a blur. So after this, I'll give you a homework, but your homework you don't hand in. You just try your best to go through, and I will go through with you in the next time now. Question number 3, from smallest to biggest. In order to do this, remember, just add the decimals to make sure that it's enough. Same as the biggest one, longest one. Then you can see.
Answer number 3.
Number 3 is smallest to biggest. Number 3. What about the rest?
Number 3 also.
Number 3, yeah. What about Miss Sophia?
Number 3.
Number 3. Okay, we make sure that they have, okay, this one has got 3 decimals, 3 places after decimal. Make sure this have the same thing. So add another 2 zeros. This one add another 1 more 0, so you have 3. This one add another thing. So now you can see. So for which one is the smallest? First, second, third, fourth.
First.
First. So first, that means it's either 3 or 4. Okay, what's the next bigger one? First, second, third, fourth. Third. So third is this one, right? 8.01. So this is the correct one, number 3. Okay. All right. Easy, yeah? Look at how I do it. I added the number, the digits after the decimal. Make it the same. All right. Which one of the following fractions is the greatest?
My answer is 1.
1.
Answer is 2.
2. Okay. Anyone else? Hannah?
Number 1.
Number 1. Shafika? Shafika? You there?
Number 1.
Number 1. So, okay. Now, how to find out the answer? Sometimes it's very long. So what do? Long to work out all of them to make it the same denominator. So we don't make it the same denominator, but can we ask you now? 3/7 and half. Which one is the, can you make 3/7 to half now? Okay, let's say now we're going to make it this way. Yeah?
Yes.
3/7 is actually less than half. What's half? Let's say the bottom is 7. What is half of 7? Divide by 2. Half of 7 is how much? Half of 7. 3.5. You divide as 3.5. So now, this is half, you know. This fraction is half. So 3/7 is less than half. Now we try now 5/11. What is half of 11? Can you use a calculator? Half of 11 is how much?
4.5.
5.5. Not 4.5, 5.5. So 5.5 is half. This is 5, is less than half. Okay, down here. What's a half of 13? What's half of 13? Is 6.5 lah. Okay, if you can just divide by 2, 6.5. This is 6 is less than half. So all of these three numbers, 1, 3, and 4, less than half. 5 out of 9, let's see. What's half of 9? Is 4.5. 4.5 is less than, 4.5 is half. But your original number is 5/9. So 5 is bigger than 4.5. 5/9 is bigger than half. So this is the biggest number. Are you confused now on this matter? You all look very tired lah. What happened? Or is it me? Okay, you try the next one. Move on to the next one. Okay, so the answer just now is, I think maybe we need to cut down to twice a week lah. Maybe you're too tired. You agree?
No.
Sir.
I don't
No?
agree.
I don't know.
Okay. We have one more month only. Only one more month. One more month. Let's try.
Wait,
our best.
like, it's okay.
Yeah, so Ihu, can you teach us speed?
Come, we try. But we have to make it to paper 2 now, right? After this, from next Wednesday onwards, we're going to do half the session on paper 2.
Sure.
Mm-hmm.
After PSE,
Yeah.
can teach speed.
We can go through sec 1, but you got to show me your face on the camera once we start. If we're going to continue, make sure that the target is for you to get A at secondary level lah. Then after that, you can be on your own. You don't need tuition anymore.
I want.
Yeah, but it's only going to be once a week. But we just target and we take it relaxed. Now it's like rushing because it's PSLE. So never mind. We just try. After this, if we continue, we make sure that we try. Become like the two boys, the two students you all can see on the video. They are all both improving, just doing a little bit better every week. But they still need to revisit P6 maths. Why? They didn't master P5 maths.
Mr. Shaheed,
Mm-hmm.
is it good, right, when someone have all A, but then math they fail?
But it's not good. If you
No,
fail
okay,
one
what
subject,
if this person, she got or he got like A star for everything, but then only maths he got like D.
still not so good lah. Because mathematics is about thinking. The difference between you and the animals is what? Mainly, the scientist says thinking. Maths is about thinking, you know.
So right, Mr. Shaheed, the girl, right, the Natasha, that one, the one that got 294.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, she got everything like what?
A star then.
Everything A star.
A star for all.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Chinese ah?
I know, I think she's a Malay.
Huh?
The highest PSLE scorer in the whole of Singapore, highest score is a Malay.
Oh wow.
So you all can do it also. Don't
No,
give up,
maybe
don't
she
give up,
got
okay?
maybe she got higher IQ than us.
No.
Yes.
No. No. It's whether you believe you can do it.
Sure. Sure. When can go back to the center?
Yeah,
Yeah
okay,
lah.
next year lah. Next year. Next year. Because you are bored, you see.
Sure.
You are very bored. Yes.
I go center, I won't get distracted.
Yeah, because right, when at home, right, we got our phone beside us also.
Then like using laptop, you can just search on those things.
But we go to the center. It's only once a week. You want to go to center 3 times a week.
Yes.
Yes.
Then we got to pay the people there.
But to what?
You are free 3 times a week. Cannot be lah. Shafika, you come back on Wednesday and Friday late. You see.
I
How
got
you gonna
tuition
do it?
every day.
Friday not late.
That's why no wonder you're
Wednesday only.
not late.
How about after school straight away come?
No, but then I can, but then right, I got remedial like Tuesday and Wednesday only.
I got remedial on Wednesday and Monday only.
Okay, I got no remedial lah.
Lah. Actually, I don't want lah. I'm very lazy.
Yeah, I think it's easier this way.
I just have to take taxi when go home and go.
Seriously, Zahira, Syah?
Yeah, she's using. Cannot use calculator means it's no longer paper 2.
Syah, it's
We
not
stopped paper 2 because I saw your blur look just now, so I'm get worried.
potong look.
Wait. Zahira, what phone you using?
Okay, anyone?
Wait for like 3 minutes first. $6.67. Huh? Yeah, 3.
Congratulations, Miss Raihana. Actually, I think all of you can have no problem passing the paper 1 already. Am I correct?
But timing. For me,
Timing, okay. So you all got to practice on your own. I cannot help you on that one. Otherwise,
you
how
go
many sessions
center,
we're
you
gonna
go center do.
what are you gonna do? You are doing test papers in school, right?
No, we doing correction.
Corrections in school. Yeah, why are you doing corrections in school?
We doing that.
Maybe because your principal gonna check the paper. Anyone, boys, girls,
Boy,
girls. I'm really tired now. I do not know. Can?
we can have story.
So, yeah, we can have lots of stuff, but this time you tell me the story lah.
I cannot. I tell scary story inside my head. So I end up laughing. I tell like one day got ghost at the balcony, then I laugh. Ghost beside Mr. Shaheed also I laugh.
Hold on. That's right. Hey girls, hurry lah. What
Number
happened?
3.
Number 3, okay. What about Zahira and Sophia? What happened? Today I think you're not slow lah. What happened here? Is it me or you're tired? Zahira tired. Zahira, you get 3 also. You get 3? If not, then I will go through now from 10:30 now. 10:30, first hour is up to 11:30. Right? So this one is $3. Then from 11:30, after that is half an hour. So 11:30 to 12 o'clock. Right? This is 120. Then 12 o'clock to 12:30 because half an hour. This is another 120. Now the next one is 12:30 to 12:40. Now even though it's 10 minutes, you still have to pay $1.20. So you got 120, 120, 120, 360. 360 plus $3 is $6.60. So 660 is the answer. That's the answer for question number 3. Okay? You get it now? You all get it? I hope you all get it now. Sophia, you get it? Sophia, you get it now, Sophia? Okay, get it, okay. We try the next one now. What's the answer for this one? Anyone?
Mak aku I tried. Oh wait, my answer is number 2.
Number 2. Anyone else? You all heard that the Black Panther is dead? You all know that?
Yes, from TikTok.
Yeah.
Poor thing, eh?
He died because of cancer.
Cancer in where? Which part of the body?
I don't know.
In the intestine.
Oh.
So that means he is quite fit, huh?
Answer number 2.
Answer number 2, all right?
Means if you're too fit, you can die.
No. He had this, but you got to see his photo before he actually died.
My answer is number 2.
Number
Okay,
2,
go
good,
see
okay. Now, in this case, do remember that it includes the sign in front. So this 10C minus 5C. 10C minus 5C, what's the answer? 10C
Number
minus, okay, number 2. 10C minus 5C, get 5C. Then plus another 2C, you get 7C. So this one is possible, this one is possible. Now we go next one. The sign of the number is in front, plus 8. So 8 minus 2, 6. You still have plus 6. So number 2, well done. Okay. Number 7.
Wait, Mr. Shaheed.
Yeah. Change it to cents lah. Change it to cents.
Never mind.
$1 is 100 cents. $10 is how many cents? $10. How many cents?
She cannot hear you.
Change it for into cents first. Change it to cents. How many cents is $10? How many cents is $10?
$10 is 1,000 cents.
Good. 1,000 divided by 20 coins. Divide by 20 coins. Do like that. You see how I do? Very easy. Can you see?
Wait. I try.
Then you cancel lah. Easy.
50.
50. Congratulations, just 50 cents. Hey girls, can you get what are you looking at down? Zahira, what are you doing? Lying down, Zahira. What about can or Zahira? Can do or not? You do not know what to do. $10 Oh, you all are bored lah. I think you all are bored already lah. You already overdrive already. Okay, so down here now. $10, you're right like that, right? $10. This is the same as 1,000 cents. Huh? So 1,000 cents. So now, if you have 20 coins like that, this 1,000 cents, we divide by 20, what do we get? So we cancel the zero down here, right? We cancel the zero here. We cancel the zero, oops, there's cancel zero here, cancel zero here. Then now, 100 divided by 2 is 50. So 50 cents. Can, huh? I do not know whether you can or not. I'm looking at so far frown and all. I do not know whether you get it or not. But I hope you get it. We move on to the next one. Is not. Okay. Anybody? Sophia? Zaira? Zaira tidur, ya Allah. Zaira, what happened, Zaira? Tired lah? Tired, is it?
No, I just sleep.
Oh. You all are tired already. You have now become fatigue. Fatigue, you know, even airplanes can have fatigue. You know that? There's such a thing called metal fatigue. Then the aluminium cannot hold any more, and it will
Maybe
just
the
tear away.
aeroplane plane will get so like sleepy.
Mr.
Oh, crash,
Shaheed,
yes.
have you watched the
Yes.
movie or not?
I tried to check. I can't find. What's the name again? What again? Boys
Nowhere
what?
Boys.
No Way
Nowhere.
Boys. Okay, I'm going to watch tonight. I was
Yay.
Wait, I go.
it. Okay. Anyone
Netflix,
got?
no.
I know Netflix. I have Netflix, but
Oh,
I couldn't
YouTube
find
cannot,
it.
you know.
Yes, YouTube cannot. I will watch. All right. Anyone got answer? We ask you now. What is this? How much is this? Sophia, how much is this? How many cm? How many?
10.
How do you know it's 10?
Cause
The radius is 10, right?
yeah.
Then radius is also one of the sides. So this is 10. All right, this is 10. Not 11, 10. This is 10. And the last one, now here, find the last one. Pi times d. Pi times diameter. Diameter is how much? 20, right? 10 is the radius. Diameter is 2 times. So times 20. But you want only 1/4 of it. You do not want the whole circle. Right? If you draw the whole circle, you want just 1/4 of it. Now here. 1/4. So now you divide by 4 lah. Hey, Husna has left and now coming in. Okay, so 20 divided by 4, you get 5. So this is actually 5 pi. From here to here is 5 pi. 5 pi plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. Answer is 5 pi plus 30. You get it? Easy, right, this one? Girls, you all what happening? You all like got no more. You are just too tired lah. Okay, we will cut down to twice a week, can? Wednesday and Thursday. Wednesday and Friday. Okay. I think you're too tired lah. You all need to rest lah. Okay, now maybe finish this one. Another 17 minutes more. Okay, let us do graph now. From birth to his birthday. Cannot see, yeah. At what age was Peter's mass 3 times his birth? 3 times his birth. What age? What age was Peter 3 times his birth? I think you all are not around lah.
I am.
Penat dia you all. Okay, we will try to
I
go
don't
back into.
understand.
What was his age at birth?
His age at birth? I don't know. Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
How many kg?
Wait, satu. One.
Not 1 lah. Hello, this is 2. This is 4. He's in between 2 and 4.
Yeah, what is one of the eight?
No need what just right in the 2, right in the middle, so you know it's 3 lah. 3 kg. So when was he 3 times his birth weight? 3 times is how many? 3 times of 3.
3 times is. Wait.
Three times of 3.
I don't understand.
At what age was his mass 3 times at birth? So at birth is 3 kg. 3 times of 3 is 9. 3 times 3 is 9. So search for the time he was 9 kg. 9 kg is this is mass, right? Between 8 and 9 down here. Oh, down here there. He was 8 years old. 8 months old. So this is the answer. Shafika, are you there now, Shafika? No one's here already. Okay, I'm going to stop another 15 minutes. I think we'll stop earlier this time. What happened? You all are very tired. Okay,
No,
I'm going to ask you one by one. Sophia, are you feeling very tired?
No, I'm
you
just
bored?
very bored and I want to listen
Are
to
you
a
feeling
scary
bored?
story.
Same.
Okay, scary story. Okay, what story? What story? Tell me what story. Go story. Go story.
Yes,
Chucky.
a fake one.
Chucky.
Fake or real? Real one. I tell you a real one, okay?
Yeah,
I have the video.
I want it to be scary.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, this is I have it on video. I interviewed the guy. If you want, I'll check for the footage and show it to you. He was one day this man. He is an Iban man. Iban means he's from Sarawak. You know Sarawak? Sarawak is in.
I went there for
We went there before. Okay, so he lived and he was very weak and he felt he was going to die. He went to the doctor, the normal doctor. They says nothing wrong with you. Finally went to his own bomo lah. He says, you they speak Malay lah. Kamu kena sakit naga langit. You know naga, you know what's naga, right?
Dragon.
Dragon. Langit,
Air.
sky. Sky dragon. Huh? Dragon.
In Malay is what?
Naga. Yeah, can't be my Malay is better than you guys. Okay, but anyway, naga langit. Say, kamu kena sakit penyakit naga langit. Say, what naga langit? What is it? Says, don't worry, I'll take care of it. So, the guy, this is the bomo. The bomo went to his house, observed everything, and then he realized what he needed to prepare. Because according to his sight, he can see actually the dragon. And this is what he did. He took a special gelang. They showed me a gelang. So I said, what is this gelang? So I said, this gelang can make you be invisible. Huh? Be invisible to the jinn, you know. So what he did was, he put the gelang inside a bowl of water. And then he wiped himself all over. He wiped. Then he took a small saucer. He put rice. Okay. And what happened was, this is the Bomo, the one who was doing it. So what happened was, the man now who was sick was still in his room. He says, the Bomo told him, you better be careful. Do not leave the room because the Naga Langit wants to kill you. And then suddenly he heard the sound. Okay, I forgot. Okay. So where the man, who the sickly man is, his room, what happened? He went to sleep in another room, and the Bomo was in his room. So in his room, the man could hear. No, he was in another room. He can hear some strange sound. No, suddenly there was a very loud thud, boom, and then he heard a person say, "Hey," something like that. And then they heard another thud, boom. And the guy after that came out. And the man who was sick saw that his shirt was full of blood. When the family went into that room, the room of the sick man, where the Bomo was staying in, you know what happened? The whole walls are full of blood. And they told me we had to spend about a few days just clean off the blood. I said, what happened? What happened? Why must I explain? So he says, itu naga langit. Okay, I tell you, they are saying in Malay lah. The naga langit, the dragon was flying all over. So he took a bell and he rang the bell. Ding, 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 ding.
Wait, is it a real human?
The Bomo is real.
No, the dragon.
The dragon is an unseen being.
Then how about blood?
Okay, that's why. Okay, so what happened? So the first thud that he heard is actually the thud of the dragon landing. He could hear a thud. And then what he did, a ding, 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 he put out the saucer, but he was under like a blanket, you know. Like a blanket. He hid himself under a blanket after he doing don't know what potion. And then he put the saucer of rice just outside. When the dragon came, he did this, hi, like that. That's what the person told me lah. And then second thought was the dragon falling, collapsing to the ground. But the blood on the wall, that's the question. If this naga you cannot see, how come the blood you can see? Well, I do not know. But after that after he killed the dragon, this man became healthy again and fit. So this is a true story. And so, but what does it mean? It means such beings do exist.
Where? In Singapore?
To me, Naga Langit, I do not know, Sarawak or whatever. But
Malaysia.
okay, the same guy, they say, I interviewed the Bomo after that. I say, and he showed me. He said sometimes the spirit will go into the monyet. So he showed me. He took out a gun, a rifle. He showed me a rifle, and then okay, I will shoot him like that. One shot, kill him. He said sometimes we ring the bell, and then there's certain fish will come, but that fish is not a real fish. He says that fish is actually, he says ada hantu di dalam. Actually, what he means is that fish is like possessed. So when he comes near, he will take the sword and just hit it and kill the fish. Now I do not know how true. I got the footage, but not of the footage of him telling the Naga Langit story. The last time I showed the footage, the students were very bored.
Alah, just watch lah.
Okay, I got to take out it's in a large drive. I got to take it out. In fact, if you want to see, I have the footage of the Bomo taking out glass from the bodies of some of the patients. But you know what the problem is? The problem is when they have this glass and all, they go for X-ray, and the X-ray tries to take it. It doesn't show up in the X-ray, but it's there. So what does it mean? It means that these pieces and all that were put in by the jinns. If they put it in, that's why the Bomo communicate with them, can take it out. So to me, maybe they are the ones causing the problem, you see.
Oh,
Because it's not a human problem, it's a jinn problem. They
oh.
put things inside the body, like pins and all that. Remember I told you the story of the pins? Okay, so that's the end of the story. That's a true story. You don't like. So we're gonna go by, we're gonna say goodbye now. Is it? Okay, so we end earlier today. We end 7 minutes earlier today. Unless you want something else. What else do you want? You want me to tell you of something?
I want a sad story, happy story, good story.
Okay, I'll tell you a story. This story is a true story of mine. So far, I've had experiences of going overseas and staying in very big houses. And once I was staying in this film director's house, Prof. Razak Mohidin. And this house, I'm the only one inside the house. And I restrict myself to one particular room. One day, I saw like a, what? You know a sarong, right? Like this, huh? I saw this. There was this lady from behind. I saw a lady from behind, and then she had her face covered like that. So, but it's supposed to be a mayat, It's supposed to be a dead body actually. Fortunately, when I realized that, it was all a dream lah. But it was in that house, but it was a scary, scary dream. And I felt as if the jinns were disturbing me. But
You make the story or
there was nothing wrong with me.
is it a true story?
Real story, there's real. Yeah, in my dream, it was a dream actually. I saw a dead body, and then that dead body was the one that had like a sarong covered face. That's it. Okay. I think we'll stop here. You all are so distracted. Okay, we'll stop 5 minutes earlier, okay?
They got the footage.
Footage, okay, I will try, but I need to get the old machine because this new machine doesn't have the drive. It's the old machine. So let me try to find the footage and then I'll show
Mr.
you.
Shaheed,
Yeah.
you know right, there is new species of human already.
Who said so?
I don't know. It's discovered by the scientists in the cave in South Africa.
I don't believe so.
Where play phone?
It's not Homo naledi.
What is that?
Is it? Okay, I show
There's
you.
a few homo. Okay, so I share screen.
Something that exists.
No, I don't think so. You know, in the 18 something,
Where your TikTok?
19 something, you know what happened? They show mermaids. They say they found mermaids, but I don't think so. All these are lies.
You know that there are like there are animals that are discovered.
Mm-hmm.
Like,
Yeah.
like, okay,
Yeah, for example,
they say right that
see,
they
she's
say
saying
right
goodbye
that
now.
it's like the longest animal in
The
the
world.
world in
Yeah.
Australian waters.
What is that?
I don't know. It's like a line.
What is this?
I don't know.
You forward to me, then I will check. Okay, I think we will take our leave right now because you all look very, very bored. This is the first time I see you all so bored. Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi. Today is a fair lesson for me. See, Shahira so happy.